Tapang.
I dedicate all of my
Sige nga, pinigil sa Marta.
Sino si Gigi ba yan?
My family. Thank you. There were nights when the wind was so cold, and my body frozen red if I just listened to it right outside.
Wala ako sa typing. Bakit tempo?
There were days when the sun was so cold that I didn't learn I just wish my eyes were drying up forever. And I can't remember where, when, or how. If I did ever remember you as I have ever made. But when you touch me like this, like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. When I touch you like this, and I hold you like that, it's so hard to believe.
Mapua, boy!
It's all coming back.
Mapua, boy!
It's all coming back. It's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I'd never do again, but then they always seem right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than other loves and
Gagi!
it was long ago, but it's all coming back to me. And if you want me like this, and if you need me like that, was meant long ago, but it's all
I love
coming
si
back to
Muchun.
me. It's hard to resist, and it's all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now.
Ay!
Oy, oy! Hindi yung part niya. Nigga in the house.
Whenever you try to hurt me, I just hurt you even worse. And so
Pwede, pwede.
Di ba alam mo?
Sing that. There were hours that just couldn't conform days.
Yun nga.
And I know that last we counted all the chance that bring us to us forever.
Sira yan.
You were history when you slamming up the door, and I made myself so strong again somehow. Never wasted any of my time for you since then.
Nawala na naman ako. Tangina.
And if you kiss me like that, it was so long ago, but it's all coming back to me. And if I kiss you like that, it was done with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I never do again, but then they always be right. There were nights of endless pleasure.
Nakacover
It was
yun.
more than other lives and lives. song coming back to me. When you see me like this, and when I see you like that, we see just what we want to see. Oh, coming back to me. The flash and the fantasy song coming back to me. No, let me recall what it's all.
Ano? Ano?
Me like this.
Yo. Yo.
When you do it like this.
Wala kanina.
Oh yeah, man, let's see the score.
Oh, tignan yung score.
Here, Mr. KK in the house.
Ay, gagi.
Mr. KK in the house.
Sinungaling!
Mr. KK scores 87. That's more fucking. Yeah. Now look at the